You gotta record it. I know. You want a fruit snack? Yes? Yes?
Throw enough cream in half, huh?
But you gotta wait, okay? Wait till I get back. Don't eat it till I get back, okay? Don't touch. Wait. Don't touch. Go.
Hey, Juju.
Don't.
Hey, stop. Don't touch
You gotta wait, okay? Wait till we get back, okay? Don't eat.
Sit right here, okay?
No, yeah, stay right there. Don't eat it, okay? Just wait till we get back, okay?
Okay.
Let you go. Don't eat it. Wait till we get back, okay?
Okay.
No, just
Wait, we gonna come back, okay? You gonna leave me hanging?
Yeah.
Alright. Remember, don't eat it.
Say that.
Yeah, stay right there. Don't eat it, okay? Okay, so how much y'all got that Juju's gonna eat?
My baby not gonna eat them fruit snacks. Cause
He
he's
is.
good.
Bryce, what you got?
He's gonna eat it.
I got it. He gonna eat it for 300, please. I got faith in my son, and I know what he do, and I know this is one of the things that he do. Eat food, eating food. He from Mississippi, baby. He eat food.
If he eats it, then I get to play on my PS4.
And you said if he don't eat it, you probably get the chance to play because the eat it is the underdog. The not eating it is the underdog. So how long we gonna wait?
It's only been like a month.
You gonna reassure him that he's coming?
Wait, Jules. We're on our way, okay? Don't eat it yet.
He's already gone.
Okay.
Napkin clean. He probably up from the table right now.
I do.
He ain't even at the table no. I wouldn't be surprised if he popped up in the video right now. Okay, we about to go see. We about to go see if he ate it already.
You're supposed to wait.
What?
What you say? Say
He did this while looking in the camera, looking at himself eat, as we told him not to. Yeah, no, this is a no.
Bye-bye.